Look, up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a Superburger. If I don't block the camera. Yes. Able to leap ordinary fast food in a single bound. It's a Superdawg Superburger. Hey y'all. Are we crooked? We're probably crooked. No! Hopefully we got it worked out. So, we're at Superdawg in Wheeling, Illinois. I almost said West Virginia. There's Superdawg crinkle cut fry. They're crispy and not wimpy this time. I don't like wimpy fries. So, a Superdawg, their Superdawg is a Chicago dog with, a Chicago dog's got, what do they have? They have a pickle spear. They have sporty peppers. They have mustard. Don't ask for ketchup. You won't get ketchup. Poppy seed bun. All that. And as you can see, we got us most of that and cheese and things falling apart. Oh, and the green tomato. Not fried green tomato, just a green tomato. Superdawg is one of those places that's been on every food show, every Food Network show, they're an institution in Chicago. So their dogs are good, but the burger, man, just with all the toppings, the dog toppings. Soft bun, toasted, lightly toasted. All those Chicago dog toppings just are awesome on a burger. One thing the dude did not give me is a straw. Luckily, I came with my own straw. Keep one of these in the car because you never know when you're going to need utensils or chopsticks or a knife. That's not a knife. Or the straw. Especially in California, which is banned. Plastic straws, you only get paper straws, which are useless. I'm wearing my food. So it's handy, or if you're at Superdawg and they don't give you a straw. Superdawg is highly recommended. They've got a ton of ice cream goodies. One day I'll try shakes and malts and sandwiches. Also, you can get. I walked inside because I don't do drive-thrus, but you can also get curbside service when it's not winter, or you can even sit out in the back, and they got it's like Sonic, except I think they were probably way before Sonic. You order your food and they'll bring it to you, even out there, but they're not on roller skates. Anyway, if you're ever in the neighborhood, I highly recommend Superdawg. And oh, his eyes are lit up. Oh boy! Check out the guns! Check out the guns, baby! Okay, that's all we got. Thanks for watching, following, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!